Hello everyone, my name is Seyialeshe and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be unboxing the Apple Watch SE, which is Apple's more affordable watches that they released in the last quarter of 2020. So I'm so excited that I finally got my hands on one. Please note that this is my first unboxing on this channel, so I hope that you can like and share this video and also subscribe and press the notification buttons to be the first to get notified when I release a video. So we're not going to waste any more time. Let's get straight into the unboxing. So here it is, guys. This is the Apple Watch SE in all its glory, still wrapped up, not being touched or anything, and I thought I would unbox it with you. So just to remind you, this is the space grey aluminium case with the black sports band at 44mm. So should we go ahead and unbox this? This is my first unboxing. I'm quite nervous, so here we go. Ooh, it's so exciting. Ooh, okay, I'm just going to turn it around. Am I even doing this correctly? Ooh, okay. So right as we open the box, you can see Apple has nicely designed this box with an array of many different Apple Watches. I'm guessing Apple Watch 6, Series 6, SE, Series 3, 4, all of them, and with its different color bands, which is amazing. I'm most likely going to get a new band. Hopefully. I don't know how the sport bands do feel, but I know some people don't really like it. So anyway, as we go straight to the box, you can see the Apple watch in here, and they've got one for the band. So I'm deliberating whether to open the band or the watch first. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the band. So here we are. Okay, how do I unbox this? You can tell I'm such an amateur at this. Oh, okay. So we go here. I'm just gonna try and get that in focus. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Okay. I didn't know that. Oh, that is nice. Okay, as you open the box, okay, you can see that the instructions on how to snap it in, and you can see on here. So I've got there's a medium to large, and there's a small to medium. Oh, I didn't even know that they had that. And so you can see this is the sports band. I keep saying brand. So here it is. So nice. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit so you guys can see. And this is the medium to large. I'm just gonna put that down. Medium to large, which I'm most likely going to be using, and it's the small to medium up here. Oh, that feels so nice when it's coming out the box. Apple, you're so amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put these aside And then we are going to go and open the watch. Exciting! I wish you guys could see my face right now. So as I said, this is the space grey aluminium case, 44 meters. It's just got all the stuff that nobody ever reads. But yeah, we're just going to open that now. Oh, this is so hard. Unboxings are not for me. Well, I love them. I wish you guys can see. Oh, no. Oops. Maybe it isn't for me. That just jumped out. Okay, so you can see designed by Apple in California. And you can see the watch here. I'm just going to open this part quickly. This part has the instructions. That's really nice. And here's the power cable to charge the actual. So this is, if it's in focus, so this is the power cable to keep it in focus. And here is the watch itself. So I'm going to bring that up for you guys. Oh, this is so nice. It's so shiny. A shiny thing that I can actually afford. Oh, this is so nice. Okay. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, I'm going to come right back and I'm going to get my phone so that I can actually set this up and give you guys an initial review, initial kind of thing. So I have here the case, the band, which comes with medium to large, small to medium, and the other side just to click it through, and 1 meter magnetic charging cable. So I just wanted to show you guys this and actually snap the case and the band together. Apple Watch, which is at 44 millimeters. I'm just going to take, oh, it's turned on actually. So I'm just going to take the medium to large. I think that will be perfect for me. So here it is. I'm just going to take the medium and just turn it from this side to this side. And I'm just going to snap that in. So that's a snap. I'm just going to take this side. It's not snapping, but it's in. Okay, and that's it. So I'm gonna set this I'm gonna set the Apple Watch with you, and I'm just gonna get my phone and I'll be right back. So I'm here with my Apple Watch and my phone. I've got the iPhone 11. I'm going to set this up with you, and it's already just triggered and said you use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. I'm just going to press continue, and I'm going to be setting this up for myself. And I'm just going to go back because that's definitely not the right language. It's English this time. English, United Kingdom. So it's setting up the language. And I'm going to start here. Yes, set up Apple Watch. I'm going to be using this on my left hand. Ooh. I think I may love product photography now. Just the way this looks, I'm very excited. Okay. So it's asking me about terms and conditions that nobody ever reads, which I should do. So I'm going to send that to email. And that's sent to me. and it's going to be, oh, I've got 1 year limited warranty. Oh, so many things. Workout route tracking, enable route tracking, share, they already know anyway. Okay, and I'm going to leave this Apple Watch passcode. So it's asking me about the activity. Skip this step. Keep your Apple Watch up to date, continue, and set up Apple Watch later, heart rate notifications, SOS, continue, install all apps for now. And how long is that going to take? But anyway, whilst that's setting up, you can actually see what's on here. So you can check the display, digital crown, the side buttons. Let's play with display. So it just shows you how you can be using your Apple Watch. So it's set up and it says, welcome to Apple. So it's just going to show me my watch, face gallery, Apple Watch apps. So here we go. So here is all my apps. I'm just going to see if I can change my face gallery. Ooh, these are cool. So I'm just going to show me the dock. Ooh, it's making noises. Oh, this is so nice. I love colors. I want this one. It's got all stripes. Oh, I love the infograph. Or maybe I'll get this one. So I can check all my other apps in here. So if I want to go on Spotify, I can look at my Spotify playlist and then play through there. Recently played, my library, artists. And that's loading. Let's go back. We are going to go back to the main place and check. Go back. I'm so sorry guys if you can hear my niece at the back. She's looking for me. I've hidden. So you can go on here, you can go on sleep apps, you can go on my calculator quickly and then check what's 4 plus 1. And I would say it's, 4 plus 0 is 4. Go around again. It's basically, it looks like a phone. So I can look at all my messages, all my apps, music, workout, which is going to be great. Yeah, so this is the main things on here. And I love the fact that it has like dance on here, because I seem to be dancing a lot when it comes to exercising, functional strength training. It has loads on here, which I'm so thankful for. So far I'm really loving this Apple Watch. It's very seamless and it fits well with the Apple ecosystem. It comes with so many functionalities that I'm in love with contactless payments to voice calling. I'm absolutely in love with it. So if you enjoyed this video, please do comment down below and like and share this video. That's all with the unboxing and initial review. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't know, should I put my hair on this side or this side? Don't know. Which side would you choose? I'm thinking this side, but I know it's recording the opposite way, or maybe it's not. I'm looking at my monitor and I'm looking at my camera and it's recording the opposite way, so I'm not sure what way it does. And I don't know if I like this. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Maybe I should just put on both of them. Indecisive queen. Maybe I'm not indecisive. I'm a decided woman. Can I get an amen? I'm a decided woman. Anyway, I'm joking. A decided woman. I make myself laugh.